Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C-Will back to you with another video. Man, I'm super excited because we have Senua Saga Hellblade 2, and this time we're going to be testing that out on the 7900XTX, beast of a card from AMD, top of the line, the best you could get. And then we had a 7800X3D, arguably the best gaming processor that you could be able to buy right now. And at the top left hand corner you can see all of the hardware overlay information. I do have the actual power limit stretched out inside MSI Afterburner with that. So if you see almost kind of hitting that 500 mark, when it comes to the wattage on the GPU, that's the reason why. And everything else is what you see. We're definitely going to take a look at 4K native. This is a graphically hard game to run. But we're going to take a look at 4K native and FSR3. This game does have FSR3 upscaler. So let's jump into it. So we'll take a look at the settings here, go to graphics, and I am playing on my LG CX OLED TV. It's 4K, and we're going to switch this back to TSR, and that'll take care of, that should put us back at native resolution scale. And everything else, I think I'm on a high preset. Yep, the global preset is high. And yeah, let's take a look. I'm not for sure exactly where I am going to start off from. I was testing this out on the RTX 4090 and the 14900K. And it looks like I'm jumping right into a fight scene. This is good. So let me reset the 1% lows. Okay. Oh, and speaking of, if you're familiar with my videos or not, at the top left-hand corner, you will see 3 different metrics when it comes to FPS. So one is the current FPS, the second one is the average FPS, and then the last one is the 1% low. And so just keep an eye on that as we play at 4K native. And as you can see so far, we are not hitting 4K 60. So, but neither could the RTX 4090. It was close, but not consistent. I think, oh, wait a minute. How do I block? Oh, okay. Block and parry. So let's. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Come on now. Why you gotta do your boy like that? There we go. There we go. Fight back. Fight back. There we go. Gotta learn how to parry. Oh no. Fight back. There you go. Senua. And as you can see, this is definitely this is a phenomenal looking game. But I tell you, it's something else. So even in this fight scene, we're definitely struggling. We're at 47 FPS. So this is a good time to go ahead and switch over to FSR3. While we're in the middle of the fight scene, to see what the difference is. So if we go down here to the custom upscaler, go to AMD FSR3, we are going to leave this on quality. So you have different options: native AA, quality, balanced, performance, ultra performance. We are definitely going to look at quality. And if you are familiar with any type of upscaling, whether it's FSR3 or NVIDIA DLSS, switching this from quality drops the actual render resolution down a notch. So instead of rendering at 4K, this is going to render at 1440p, and then it upscales back to 4K. So we're going to stick with quality. That's what I normally use. I normally don't use anything besides quality, because then you start to mess around with the actual picture quality of the game. So quality or native is what I usually rock with.
He could kill you if he wanted to.
Okay, so I'm struggling a little bit right here, but we are averaging 74 FPS. So I will tell you, if you want to if you want to play this game 4K with a consistent frame rate that's above 60, you're definitely going to have to use upscaling. Oh yeah, she tired. She real tired, boss. Yeah, if you want to play this game at a respectable frame rate at 4K, you're definitely going to have to use quality upscaling. That is guaranteed you have to use that. I've seen a couple of dips below 70, but we're averaging about 76. So I think I can run. Let's see if I can try to save this guy. Oh, nope. Got another fight coming. Come on, man. Get off me, son. Oh, and I think I know her mind is playing games. So I don't know what's about to get ready to happen, but yeah.
You, slave.
Looks like this is about to be a heck of a fight. Did he just call me a slave, boy? Watch out. Taking offense to that.
What are you going to do with that sword, girl?
He looks ready for you. He is ready to fight. You're ready. We will end this.
You're fucking dead. Oh, you think this is the end? Again! Worthless.
Have to hit him.
Get up! You're worth more to me alive.
Come on then.
Stay down!
No.
It is
Feel the pain.
to make me kill you! And fight me!
Man, this is, I guess this is the first boss scene, and yeah, y'all, let me tell you playing this, it's actually pretty dope. I know a lot of people say that the game was short. I don't have a whole lot of time to play games anyway, so for me, short is good when it comes to the length of a game, but yeah, there's certain parts of the game, like, again, the graphics are amazing. And again, I am seeing some drops below 4K 60. This is a cutscene that's happening right now, so I'm not doing anything. Except, is it gonna allow me to do anything right now? I don't think so. But even with upscaling, this still dropped below 4K 60. So keep that in mind. The presets that they have from a graphics setting is like you have high, medium, and then low. I mean, when you playing at 4K, I guess you could drop down to maybe medium. I wouldn't. So yeah, you are gonna have some instances where you drop below 4K 60, even with the upscaling. So keep that in mind. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. either whether you're using a RTX 4090 or you're using a 7900 XTX, you're gonna have to use upscaling when it comes to playing 4K. So let me know down in the comments what type of graphics card that you have, what type of CPU that you're using, or system that you're using. If you plan on upgrading, if you've already upgraded, or if you plan on building before they announce the new stuff, I want to know. I definitely want to know. But here's just a sneak peek of what 4K looks like for Hellblade 2. I got this through Xbox Game Pass, so I didn't pay for it. So yeah, I would recommend if you want to test out this game, use Xbox Game Pass. It's only like $10 a month, something like that, and save yourself some money. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.